Today we will learn how to create split-screen transition in Premiere Pro. First, these are the two videos. Now cut 1 second of the ending part of the first video. Make a duplicate layer of it and put it on the upper layer. Now, right-click on both the 1 second parts one by one and select Nest option. Now select one of the nested sequences and go to the Effect Controls panel and select the pen tool from Opacity and draw a triangle shape on the video. Zoom the video to do the detail work. Now draw a triangle with the pen tool as shown here. Now from the Effect Controls panel, make the feather of the opacity mask 0. Now, right-click on the opacity and copy. Now, select the second nested sequence and go to the Effect Controls panel and right-click on the opacity and paste it. Then go to the opacity mask and choose the inverted option. Now select the upper nested sequence and place the navigator on the first frame of the nested sequence. Then go to the Effect Controls panel and turn on the toggle animation of position. Now go to the last frame of the nested sequence and make the X and Y values of position to 0. Now, select the lower nested sequence and place the navigator on the first frame of the nest and turn on the toggle animation of position. Then go to the last frame of the nest and make the X value 1920 and Y value 1080. The transition is ready. Now select both of them and put them on the upper layer, and place the second video below them. Now select the uppermost nest layer and go to the Effect Controls panel. Right-click the first keyframe and go to Temporal Interpolation and select Ease Out. Right-click the second keyframe and again go to Temporal Interpolation and select Ease In. Do the same process with the nest below. Now click on the arrow given next to position. Drag the nodes given with points as shown here. Do the same process with the second nest. That's all for today. If you liked the video, then do like and subscribe to the channel. GraphiX Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos. Also, GraphiX Studio is available on WhatsApp public channel. Follow to the official channel by searching in Find Channels or click the link given in the description.